My tent site was right down there. Worked well. I saw no bears. Heard no bears. I am off the PCT. I'm on the Kearsarge Pass trail. Takes me about 7.5 miles over a mountain and into town. Well, not all the way into town, to a parking lot, the closest parking lot. And then I have to hitchhike a long ways into town. I'm going into Lone Pine. Independence is closer, but it's a real small town. Now that's beautiful. Oh, wow. Pika! Oh, don't go away. I got scolded. Wait, here it comes back. See his little face? I'm a friend. You're so cute. Going back so he can see you. I just see your ears and your eyes right now. Oh well. I'm not sure which gap we're going to go through, but we're heading up there to go through one of those gaps. Heading through one of those, making progress. So that's the pass. I had to get down behind these rocks. The wind was just brutal. It was about knocking me over up there. And cold. It's a little above freezing. Everything was frozen, but it is cold. Nice going down. It won't be so nice going back up. I've got to hike all the way back up over this pass to get back to the PCT after I'm done in town. Still heading down. It's a long ways down, but I'm getting there. Almost down to the trees. I just came down from up there. Well, exactly right there. Long ways down. It's going to be a lot harder coming up than going down. Still heading down. Coming up is going to be a lot worse than coming up the other side was. This is a much longer climb. So when I come out of town, I have a feeling I'll just do this pass and that'll be it. There's the parking lot down there. I have clean clothes. Downtown Lone Pine, California. Pizza factory. That's my hotel right there. And I've been told Margie's merry-go-round is the place to get good food.
To Chatsworth to spend a week with Dennis.
Look who I'm having dinner
Would you like a
with.
bag for these? Who wants a bag? I don't want a bag. Absolutely right away. I'm leaving on the
His name's Blue.
to spend a week with.
My leftovers from Chinese food. Creme brulee for dessert. I went to another restaurant. And a root beer float. I'm gonna be all sugared up. Lone Pine is a cute little town. That's my little apartment up there.